number 5, we have the Omen by HP Obelisk Gaming Desktop Computer. This VR-ready gaming PC boasts of the most updated hardware in the industry, Windows 10 operating system, and several ports for microphone jack, a combination of headphone, microphone, 3 DisplayPort, TM, etc. Hence, you can play the most demanding games easily on this system. The presence of ray tracing real-time technologies within the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2070 Super (TM) graphics along with the Intel Core (TM) i7-9700K processor of 9th generation helps in achieving power efficiency, newer levels of gaming reality, immersion and speed. You require plugging the headset within the DTS headphone or connecting the nearby sound speakers to get an immersive audio experience along with the immersive quality of sound. Likewise, the HP Omen Command Center software of this unit provides control over the CPU overclocking settings, and help in reducing the latency. It also includes a tool-less door for imparting hassle-free maintenance and access. The angled design helps in opening the system effortlessly with the aid of the replacement screws and double-sided screwdriver. With prerequisite space for almost 3 storage devices and support for the motherboard builds of Micro ATX, the aftermarket parts are going to be a fit. The internal lighting and the clear side panel is useful in rigging the way you want. The software allows you to personalize the RGB lighting, streaming the games on the TV, give more priority to the traffic of the gaming network. You can upgrade the HyperX 32GB DDR4-2666 SDRAM to 64GB. With the PCIe NVMe TM M.2 solid-state drive of 1 TB, you can transfer the files faster, loading the games in no time. It also confers a more immersive and powerful experience, in comparison to the standard hard drive. The presence of a tempered glass side panel offers a window for the internal components of the system. It also has the HP black wired keyboard along with the volume control, as well as a wired optical mouse. Moving on at number 4, we have the Alienware Aurora R9 gaming desktop. This gaming PC features a new chassis, as per the Legend industrial design for conferring efficient and fluid airflow that helps in decreasing the CPU temperature along with quieter operation. This product is in high demand due to the AX16502 x 2800 2.11x Bluetooth feature, single-channel HyperX DDR4X MP memory, 7200 RPM HDD storage, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2070 with 8GB GDDR6 along with extra support for the dual graphics, Intel Turbo Boost technology, 12MB cache. Owing to the lower temperature, it bestows stabilized performance. Due to the higher overclocking, it provides higher frames every second during gaming. It is equipped with PSU swing arm, which offers a wide assortment of benefits such as tool-less graphics, locking stop-anywhere mechanism, and small chassis size. The thoughtful engineering provides better usability. The convenient placing of the ports, side entry panel, mic plug-in before the front part of the system, headset, ensure ease of flexibility. People love to invest in this product due to the intuitive overclocking control module, which enables the end users in squeezing the extra performance from the system at ease. It is also useful in creating overclocking profiles for controlling the system performance. The most updated Alien FX hardware and software confers complete support to the RGB values. You can manage the FX lighting zones at ease, customize the peripheral settings. The thermal control offers an airflow, which is performance optimized. The top and rear vents of this unit's functions are beneficial in keeping the temperature in the prerequisite range with the removal of heat from the specific system. Other than this, the side and front vents take in cool air, which maintains the health of the system and provides effective performance. At number 3, we have the Acer Predator Orion 9000 desktop. This gaming PC can provide a unique 4K gaming experience. It has NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2080 graphics, 8th Gen Intel Core i7 processor, and armor-covered design, which confers an amazing gaming experience. The ice tunnel cooling system of this model enhances the performance of the unit at an optimal level at the time of the most intense gaming session. It is possible to decrease the intensity of the performance along with case streamline and ice tunnel 2.0 to ensure thermal dominance. The presence of unique thermal zones enhances cooling during need. The strategically placement of the 3 fans provides amazing cooling. The RGB lighting adds to the beauty of the side panel. The creative sound blaster by 720 degrees is effective in offering a unique audio experience. Predator Sense is known to be the ultimate tool which helps in controlling gaming profiles, overclocking, overlighting. The one-punch overclock feature helps in pushing the unit to the unit during video encoding, gaming, and 3D rendering. You require customizing the RGB lights to 16.7 colors, and brighten the internals. This product also comes with 3 separate display ports, 7200 RPM HDD internal storage of 2 TB, DDR4 2666 MHz RAM of 32 GB, Predator Gaming Mouse, Predator Gaming Keyboard, Growl lights. At number 2, we have the Corsair One i164 Compact Gaming PC. The triple 4K displays along with VR, NVIDIA G-Sync, HDR, of this unit is useful in offering an amazing multi-display immersion. This high-performance gaming computer possesses amazing Corsair DDR4 memory, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2080 Ti graphics. Of this unit is known to be compressed within the form factor, after which it is clad in the premium bead-blasted aluminum shell, which can confer an amazing performance. The convection liquid cooling system is patented assisted and offers great performance with the least noise and reduced temperature. On the other hand, the Corsair CUK software ready-made lighting allows you to customize the look of the system and personalize the sync lighting profiles across different compatible products. This model has also been loved by end users due to the 0 RPM mode, which provides quiet fanless operation. And finally at number 1, we have the CUK Stratos Micro Gaming PC. This gaming PC lets you enjoy the luxury of the most demanding games in the market. It is loaded with different features of the AX system within the MATX size. It offers an amazing desk space without making a compromise on the style and enhancing the performance. It incorporates 6 separate high airflow and pressure PWM along with RGB control through Mystic Lighting, LED mouse bundle, rainbow keyboard, PWM halo ring-style ARGB fans, and metal fin front panel design. The presence of tempered glass side door, vent front panels of 3 metal blade, audio ports, top panel USB 3.0, solid steel construction, are other worth mentioning features of this unit. The 1 rear and 2 top-mounted exhaust fans impart an extreme cooling system. Also, the Z390M motherboard uses the Mystic Lighting for conferring RGB control. Users also prefer to select this model due to the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2080 Ti graphics, wired LED backlit USB keyboard, and mouse, 2 hard drives of 2 TB 7200 revolutions per minute hard disk drive and 1 TB NVMe solid-state drive, Intel Core i9 9900 kFarads 8-core processor.